welcome back to my channel. I am so glad to have you guys here with us today. And also welcome our new visitors who are sitting there and watching us again today. So yeah, today is a unboxing video with Kaylin. Woo! Say hi, Kaylin. So yeah, she loves helping her mommy unbox stuff because she thinks it's okay for her to put it in her mouth. Yeah. So yeah, today is another unboxing, and we have our Morphe brushes as well as our BoxyCharm. So yeah, we have quite a bit to show you guys today, and I am excited. I know Caitlin's excited. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get started, okay? Okay guys, so getting started with our November Morphe brushes. Of course, we all know, or some of us don't know, that's new to the Morphe subscription. It comes packaged like this, you know, with the hashtag MorpheMe, powered by Live Glam. So this month we got a set of 4 brushes. Yay! Okay. So yeah, we're gonna start from the smallest, of course, to the largest, since that's basically how it seemed like it came. So starting with the M250, this is what the M250 looks like, and I really like this precision detail brush because this brush is great for the glitter liner that is becoming very popular in the makeup game. So I would, you know, use this brush for, you know, to get that job done, or to put my inner corner highlight, you know, right there in the corner. You know, you can use it for that as well, or you can use it for a lip liner. You know, take your pick. It can be a multi-task kind of brush. So yeah, I like it for all of those reasons. Very small and can get the job done. Okay. Next is the M574 brush, and this is what that brush look like, and it is very, you know, like a medium size. You know, I won't say small, but almost like a medium size. It's look like a tapered brush, and I basically will use this brush to basically just get up in the corner. You know, when you put in the color right there, it can be for that precision of eye detail, or it can be for if you're trying to smoke the edge out right there. I will use it for that as well. So yeah, this brush can be, of course, multitask brush. Pretty much all my brushes are multitask, you know. So that's what I like that brush for. Next is the M106 brush, and I really love this brush for, you know, its size and fluffiness. And this brush could be used for, you know, a powder, or, you know, a bronzer. So you can use this brush for either one, or if you want to apply your blush with this brush, you can very well do that as well. This brush is very soft and durable for those kind of jobs. So yeah. Next and last but not least is our M457 brush. And guys, I love this dome brush. It is so big and fluffy and soft. Now I have a powder brush that's about like this. It's the Real Techniques one, but it's like this one because of the shape of it. It's like shaped like a dome, so it's pretty much like, man, it's so soft and it can get the job done too. So yeah, This brush can be used for either powder or buffing out your foundation. So, you know, either or, but I really like this brush as well. So, yeah, it'll be a multitask brush too. I mean, pretty much all the brushes I get are literally multitask brushes. Seriously. So, yeah, that is it for the Morphe brushes for the month of November. Also, let me not forget that they do come with a pamphlet, and it lets you know about each and every brush and what you can use it for. Now, I really like this because starting out in makeup, this will be like the perfect thing to do, and that way you're learning at the same time what you would use that brush for, and then you can wind up finding that brush to be used for another job as well. So I really like the Morphe subscription brushes every month, because not a lot of us can go out and constantly keep buying brushes to build up the, you know, collection of brushes. So this is a quick and easy and affordable way to build up your brushes, you know. So next we're moving on to our BoxyCharm subscription, okay? So for our BoxyCharm subscription for the month of November, it comes packaged like this, very pretty and cute, okay? So we're gonna start off with our lashes, and these lashes come from Lashaholic Luxury Lashes, and they are gorgeous, guys. Like, they are really pretty. I have never worn lashes this, you know, long or big, but hey, you know, trial and error, okay? You know, just trying out new stuff. I'm still learning and practicing, you know, putting on my falsies, so just check me out, okay? But yeah, can't wait to try these bad boys on and see how they would look with my makeup. I mean, it's gonna be a kill, okay? Like bomb.com. Next, we have the Luxe brushes, okay? And they look like this. So we have our 111 brush, and that's the mini flat angle. And we have the 141, that's the mini round. And we have the 131, that's the mini angled. And as well as the 121, that's the mini tapered, okay? So it's like you got your 4 brushes from Morphe, then you winded up getting 4 more eye brushes from BoxyCharm. So it's like you got a total of 8 brushes today, girl. High five, honey. You're killing it, okay? So that's what I'm saying. Like, signing up for the subscription will be a help to you. And, you know, building up your makeup collection. If you can't, you know, go out and buy, you know, every, you know, single time you get paid. You know, we all have a life and we all have bills, okay? So, yeah, I got me 8 brushes, okay, for the month of November. Yeah. As if I need any more, but what the hell, you can't never have too many brushes, okay? Now we have the Cover X FX glitter drops. Wow, oh, this is pretty. Let's see how this looks, okay? Okay, now I won't mind putting this on my eyes. Okay, so you guys see that? It looks so pretty. Let's see how it look rubbed in. Oh, yeah. Oh, it feels so good. That's it rubbed in, guys. Like, that is so pretty. Can you guys see that? Like, the camera don't do it justice. Like, you got to see this in person. I would love to, like, put this like on the inner corner of my eye because this is very pretty. So yeah, can't wait to try that out. And that's the glitter drops from Cover FX. Okay. Next we have this, let's see. It's a glitter star eyeliner from Jaunty Blue. Okay. Ooh. So this is what the glittering star eyeliner looks like. And let me put that, oh, okay. Look at that. You know what, guys? This is all perfect for the holidays coming up. That is so freaking pretty. Like, for real. I can't wait to try this out either. That is so freaking pretty. Like, all this glitz and glam stuff for the holidays. We finna be on point, okay? Now, last but not least, that's in our BoxyCharm, is this Ace Beauté palette. Wow, and it's grandiose palette. Oh, I love it. It is so pretty, guys. Look at these colors. Like, seriously, let me swatch them on my arm so you guys can see. Like, for real. Oh, that is, like, the consistency of this stuff, guys, is so freaking pretty. So, this is what the colors look like swatched on my arm. And they are absolutely gorgeous, okay? You know what, guys? My next tutorial, you can already get ready because I will be featuring these products, okay? We are going to create something pretty with this palette because this is gorgeous, okay? And that poppy, y'all already know how I feel about my plum colors. Like, I don't know what it is, but I just love the dark plum colors. I mean, neutral, I can get with neutral as well because, of course, I wear my neutral makeup at work. But, you know, outside of that, I love my dark plum colors. And that poppy is giving me everything right now. Like, I'm gonna already be coming up with an eye look for you guys, so get ready because we are going to be featuring this stuff, okay? So guys, that is all for our unboxing and featuring the Morphe brushes and as well as the BoxyCharm. So yeah, I don't have my little helper with me to end the video because she's decided to take a nap in between the time. So until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.